In this video, we will be discussing the pros and cons of building a ClickBank storefront with CBProAds as a beginner. One of the advantages of using CBProAds as a beginner to build your ClickBank storefront is that it is user-friendly. The platform has a simple interface that allows you to easily navigate through the different tools without prior technical knowledge. Additionally, CBProAds provides a variety of templates and pre-made websites that you can customize to suit your preferences and needs. One of the disadvantages of using CBProAds is that some of its features are only available in the premium version. As a beginner, you may not have the budget to pay for the premium version, and this may limit the number of features and tools that you can access on the platform. Additionally, if you want more control over the design and content of your site, CBProAds may not offer the level of customization you need. In conclusion, CBProAds can be a useful platform for beginners who want to build a ClickBank storefront. However, it's important to weigh the pros and cons carefully and decide if CBProAds is the right fit for your needs and budget.